Hello, I am Anshul and in this video we'll talk about mark price and everyone's favorite discounts. This is what an e-commerce site's product page usually looks like. The original selling price is 1000 rupees, but you get a 10% discount. That means 1000 is decreased by 10% and the new selling price becomes 900 rupees. The original selling price of rupees 1000 cannot be called as selling price as the company didn't sell the mobile for rupees 1000. It was just printed or marked on the mobile's box. So it is called as marked price. And discount is calculated over the marked price to get the selling price. Okay. So we are getting a selling price of 900 rupees here. This figure will explain it better. We calculate profit on cost price. Okay, we have cost price, then we calculate profit on cost price. We add the profit to cost price to get selling price. But when the shop has to offer some discount, mark price gets involved. The shop increases the cost price by a certain markup percentage. Okay, we have cost price. The shop increases the cost price by a certain markup percentage, and what we get is mark price, which we often see printed on the products as MRP, maximum retail price, right? Now on that mark price, the shop then offers a discount. The price thus obtained is selling price. So in this example, when a mobile is to be sold by a shop, let's say the cost price to the shop was rupees 800. Markup percentage was of 25%. So the mark price is 800 increased by 25%. Now 25% means a multiplying factor of 1 by 4, and increase of 1 by 4 over 1 means a multiplying factor of 5 by 4. 800 into 5 by 4 is 1000 rupees. So markup in rupees will be marked price minus cost price, that is rupees 100. And markup percent is calculated on cost price. It will be marked price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. Okay. Markup percent can also be calculated by taking ratio of marked price and cost price. We have 1000 upon 800, and that is 5 by 4. And 5 by 4 means an increment of 1 by 4 on 1. That would be 1 by 4. Increment of 1 by 4 would be increment of 25%. Okay. Always remember one thing, markup is calculated on cost price. So in formula of markup percentage, cost price will always come in the denominator. Now on 1000 rupee price, shop offers a discount of 10%. Okay, 10% of 1000 is 100 rupees. A discount of 100 rupees means selling price is rupees 900. So discount in rupees is simply selling price minus marked price. And we offer a discount. Marked price is usually greater than the selling price. So selling price minus marked price will always give a negative sign denoting a discount being offered. Okay. And discount is always calculated on marked price. So in formula for discount percent, marked price will come in the denominator. Discount percentage is selling price minus marked price upon marked price into 100. We can also calculate it by taking ratio of selling price and marked price. We can take the ratio 900 upon 1000 is 9 by 10, and 9 by 10 means a decrease of 1 by 10 on 1. Okay, a decrement of 1 by 10 means a discount of 10%. Now we have cost price as 800 rupees and selling price is 900 rupees. So profit is rupees 100 and profit percent will be 100 upon 800 into 100. That would be 100 upon 8 or 12.5%. Okay, 100 upon 8 or 1 upon 8, a fraction of 1 upon 8 means 12.5%, that you can calculate easily if you remember percent to fraction equivalent that we discussed in the earlier videos. Now as profit is calculated on cost price, in formula for profit percent, cost price will come in the denominator. Profit percent can also be calculated by taking ratio of selling price and cost price, 900 upon 800 or 9 upon 8. Selling price is 9 upon 8 times cost price. 9 upon 8 is an increment of 1 by 8 over 1. Increment of 1 by 8 means a profit percent of 12.5%. Now here, there are a few important points to remember. Point number 1, markup percent is calculated on cost price to get marked price. Point number 2, discount percent is calculated on marked price to get selling price. Point number 3, profit percent is calculated on cost price to get selling price. And last but not the least, it's very important, when there is no discount provided, then marked price is same as selling price. Also, in that case, markup percent is same as profit percent. Okay. Now let's have a look at successive percent change in this case. We started with rupees 800, then a markup or an increment of 25%. That means a multiplying factor of 5 by 4. And then we have a discount of 10%. That means a multiplying factor of 9 by 10. Discount of 10% means decrease by 10%. That means a multiplying factor of 9 by 10. Now this on solving will give a selling price of rupees 900. Okay. Now instead of two successive percent change, we can find an equivalent single percentage change by this formula. You remember? A plus B plus AB upon 100. When there are two successive percentage change, we find equivalent percent change by using this formula, A plus B plus AB upon 100. So we have a negative sign with 10 as it represents discount. So we have 25 minus 10, that is 15 minus 2.5 will give us 12.5%, which is the cumulative percent change between the cost price and the selling price, which we call profit percent. So we can say that profit percent is cumulative percent change which occurs when markup percent and discount percent are applied successively, okay, one after another. And out of these three, if two are given, then we can find the third one very easily. Also, instead of percent values, if we use multiplying factors, then we can say multiplying factor for markup into multiplying factor for discount is equal to multiplying factor of profit. Now, most of the questions involving markup and discount can be solved using this logic. Okay, so this logic is very important. One last thing, here you go. A quick revision of what we have learned till now. Pause and go through it. For those of you who prefer to solve questions by assuming cost price or selling price as rupees 100, this table is very, very useful. So this was all about markup and discount. I hope we have now covered all the concepts from this topic, percentages and profit and loss. In case you have any doubts, ask in the comments down below, or you can directly mail them to me at anshul@gofodu.com. You can also follow us on different social media platforms to get regular updates about Gofodu and updates related to CAT and other MBA entrance exams. Thank you.